Well, 250 lives lost every single day. The drug overdose epidemic, it continues to grip our country. Thanks for staying with us at 5:30.
And now there's a push to make purchasing the antidote as easy as buying ibuprofen.
Atlanta News First reporter Megan Packer, she is live in Lawrenceville. And Megan, the FDA right now a step closer to making Narcan available over the counter.
And Tracy and Allen, this is what we're talking about. Narcan nasal spray administered just like this. And a little more than an hour ago, a panel of FDA advisors voted in favor of making it easier to get your hands on this.
It's an adrenaline rush like I've never had before. And I think I've done it 5 or 6 times.
Pharmacist Ira Katz is talking about saving lives. He has administered the opioid antidote Narcan to reverse overdoses in other people near his Little Five Points pharmacy in Atlanta.
I recommend every restaurant, every bar, every school have Narcan available.
We've seen first responders use it. Now, an FDA panel of advisors is recommending making nasal spray Narcan available over the counter. There is a standing order in Georgia right now that's been in place since 2016 that allows you to get Narcan without a prescription, but you still have to ask the pharmacist for it, and it could cost about $130 without insurance.
Certainly by it going over the counter, we don't know what the cost is going to be. We don't know what the suggested retail is going to be. But again, it will give access to so many more people.
This is a prototype, and we're developing an app that goes along with it.
Farley Barge with Navigate Recovery Gwinnett showed us this Narcan vending machine that could get rolled out if and when the FDA greenlights Narcan being over the counter. Just as easy as buying a bag of chips, but this is free.
We could see these being placed in places like libraries, schools, police departments.
Barge's organization hands out the spray and teaches weekly classes on how to use it. He says an FDA vote cannot come soon enough to remove even more barriers.
So I think it's just absolutely a step in the right direction, because this problem is so prevalent in our community, and especially with the fentanyl crisis that we're facing now and the number of young lives that we're losing.
Now, after today's recommendation from the panel of advisors, we are expecting to hear from the FDA with a final decision by the end of next month. In the meantime, if you are looking for Narcan, experts say it's a great idea to have it just nearby. You never know when you might be able to save a life. Ask your local pharmacist. You can come to organizations like here at Navigate Recovery. They have free Narcan training every Saturday. We are live in Lawrenceville. I'm Megan Packer, Atlanta News First.